How to fix Chase Bank app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Chase Bank app if it's not working. So this problem may be due to various different reasons. So in this video, we'll talk about a few of the most common reasons and how you can solve them. So the first one is your internet connection. As Chase Bank app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to work. Sometimes if you do not have a stable internet connection or a data connection, your app will not work. So make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now the second thing you can do is basically try to close the Chase app completely and reopen it after a few seconds. Now if you are on an Android device, you can also try to clear the cache memory or clear the storage of your Chase app. Now the third reason may be your app is out of date. So if your app is not up to date, sometimes the features will not work, causing your app to not work entirely. So simply make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now if this is still not working, you can basically try to restart your phone or reboot your phone, and this will solve the problem in most of the cases. But if your problem is still there, try reinstalling the app, and if it still doesn't work, simply try contacting the Chase support and talk to them about the problem, and they will be able to help you furthermore. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.